Big data people, welcome to Big Data Channel. Be Biggie. So we are going to see about Power BI, Infosys real interview questions for experience 7 to 10 years. Job description. So need for database engineer with good knowledge on Power BI, good knowledge on visualization tools using Power BI, and good knowledge on SQL. Nice to have Microsoft certification on Power BI. Azure knowledge is an added advantage, so it is a plus for the candidate. Tell about yourself. You can explore your career experiences and your knowledge on Power BI and other tools you have aware of. Power BI questions. A bank needs to get multiple complaint files from various locations, which is divided into customer complaints, home loan complaints, credit card complaints, and student loan complaints. So how can you get all these details and how can you combine this using Power BI? The next question is to save time. I want to use a query which is solution for previous problem. How can I use this? So I have a query and I have a solution for that query. So that query will be belonging to a previous problem. So it may or may not be a solution to the current problem, but I want to use that. So how can I use that? So I explain that one. And third one is without publishing reports or data sets from Power BI to web, how to download it. So there are options for that. Please explain that. Power BI questions. How would you visualize hierarchical data using Power BI and how to calculate a dynamic ranking in Power BI using DAX method. SQL questions. So the first question is multiple data tables are present and contains various data. Like the bank needs different complaint types from different locations. How can you write a common query which will filter all these data based on the days, months, years, based on the complaint types also? How can you segregate and get all these data using a SQL query? So the choices are: do you use joins? In the above case, if you are using means why you are going to use this joins, and if you are using a subquery for the above case, why you are using this subquery for this particular case. Next question is how to use multiple PKs in a table, primary keys in a table. Python questions. So first question is how to run Python scripts in Power BI desktop. You can write and explain enable Python scripting, creating Python script and run the Python script in importing data. Second question is how Python is used for data handling. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share our channel Big Data Channel. Be Biggie.